What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on, JD? I see you up in here. What's going on, Marcus? Just dropped the Bitcoin update video for y'all yesterday as well. Make sure to check that out. Got another video dropped for y'all today to end the weekend or start the weekend off right, end the week off right, and the month off right. It's the last day of the month. We're in a new month starting next month. I believe it's the last month of this quarter as well, if I'm not mistaken. Got a couple setups we're looking at right now. You already know the drill. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we look at any charts, drop them in the chat. We got two more news events in today as well. We got at 8:30 Canadian USD news. Going to be going live with the members during the 8:30 news. We were live with them yesterday during 8:30 news. A lot of action didn't really take off and take place on the charts yesterday, as far as currency pairs and a few other charts until like the middle of New York. We did catch a nice move before the news popped off though. We caught a nice wholesale. And NAS ended up doing a reversal we'll talk about as well, but it didn't do that until around 1 o'clock in the middle of New York as well. And all these damn alerts. That's I'm actually about to do this. Right, was talking about was going to look for buys that we can hold 18,750. Now book that level. Instead of retest this level, but didn't hold that support. Started seeing these support levels getting treated as resistance, but didn't break below here. It wasn't even 1 o'clock, it was 3 o'clock. So yeah, a couple hours before markets closed. And now it's consolidating right here. So now we're going to be looking for possible sell setups today. Right, so let's talk about it. Right, we see the higher highs got taken out. We see this reversal. So now if these levels are getting treated as resistance, like we saw on the smaller time frames, we can look for sells if it breaks below and holds 18,490 as resistance. We can see sells go down to 18,350. Again, we got this level of traffic to us, but take some volume to break this level. So we're going to see what happens today, though. But let me look for possible sells. So move on mini track. I'm only looking for sells below this level here, though. Keep my lids here. Who's doing that dumb shit? I don't know why it doesn't look to be great. Right here. Right here, just because it doesn't place back up to here. It's going to be looking for a GN, so we might switch it to EN. Usually it's kind of when I was projecting yesterday as well, but again, we can see it's just volume. Wasn't that much volume at all yesterday either, but again, it's the end of the month, about to be a new month, and those are typically the slowest times of the month. The first week of last week, we got all the reports coming out. We got the months closing up. But we're still up this week with this ultimate goal. Those just join the stream. We haven't entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal from Telegram. If you understand how to get last month and last quarter, go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. Anything in charge, drop them in the chat.
every 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
All right, we got NAS. Break this level. Let's see if we can hold it. Got about 4.5 minutes till the next 15 pops up. Let's see what the is looking like. I got another video dropping for y'all today. Make sure you have your noties on for it. If you didn't check out the Bitcoin update video yesterday, or the other video I dropped, the trade breakdown I dropped on Tuesday, make sure to check those out. All playlists are up to date. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, y'all. Y'all see that scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram's playmaker_way. TikTok's _playmakerway_. I'm going to start going live on TikTok again next week. I'm going to test. I tested it out the other day, but I'm going to go live times next week to really test it out to see how it is. Let's see something. But you already know the drill, y'all. Right now, we're just chilling patiently. You guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. Want to look at any charts, drop them in the chat. We're looking for New Zealand sells, JPY buys, and then possible NAS sells, and then possible gold sales. We went for a gold sell yesterday. We hit like TP2 or TP3. Let me pull it up. So I'm not just making stuff up. We hit TP2. We barely missed TP3. But again, like we was talking about yesterday before we took the trade, because we broke this down during yesterday's live stream, we're still struggling to break through this level of traffic. Again, that's the farthest yesterday. What the farthest is gone, but it still was not far enough and wasn't able to break through this level. Again, we look here. This was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, yesterday. It's just been chilling at this level, struggling to make that next lower low and struggling to break through this level of traffic. So we're just waiting for volume to either give us the volume to break through this level, or we're going to see a reversal. So we're just waiting to see which one of the two prices is going to do. Those are joining the stream. We're not into this yet. This is just a trade idea. Just waiting to see if we can hold this low as resistance. Might jump at this a little bit though. How this is looking here. So how this is looking here. Again, if NAS can hold 18,500 resistance, we can see sales going down to 18,350 and then possibly down to 18,220. We do have Canadian USD news at 8:30. It's pushing up, so we're gonna let that do its thing. We're gonna switch this back to GM. Looks like we'll break back below this level as well. Let's see. I don't know about y'all, but these weeks be flying by lately. I don't know what's been going on. Like these weeks have been just flying by. It's already Friday. That's kind of crazy to me. I don't know. It could be just me. But it's kind of crazy to me. How's already Friday? Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Y'all join the free signal free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. You hit that first link. You see that for yourselves. As you can see on the charts, it's been a slow week. A lot of these charts have just been kind of in place. Like when we look here, we've seen reversals. Like again, we look at Monday. Price pushed up on Tuesday, continuing a higher high from last week that we caught. Did on Wednesday, it failed to hold this level as support from resistance. Then we saw the retracement from Wednesday to yesterday. But then we saw yesterday, price retrace back up, respecting this low as support. And then we see today, prices is still kind of chilling right here. So again, we had a lot of like retracements today, or this week, I should say. Not too much we can do about that. When we look at GN, again, we have this level of traffic. We look at this week. We go to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, yesterday, today. We can literally see it's been stuck in the same spot, respecting us resistance, but struggling to break this low as resistance. Again, when price is stuck in place, can't do shit about that. We look at GU. We look at Monday. Again, continuing a higher high from Friday. Tuesday, failed to hold this low by support. Wednesday, we had the retracement. Then yesterday, price continued to respect this low by support, but it's been chilling at this resistance level. And we see today, price looks just like yesterday. So again, you know what I'm saying? We can see this with a lot of these charts. We went over gold at the beginning of the live, the same thing. Let's see how this next 15 looks like. If GN continue to respect this lower as resistance here at 775, we can look for sales down to 710, possibly down to 650, 645. That's what we're looking at right there. But even with it being slow, if y'all looked at the Sunday chart analysis this week, a lot of charts are still going as projected. We went 4.0 last week. We're going to be doing a recap of the month and tallying things up this weekend. But if you go to May 1st, you'll see how we did April last month. Last month, we went 15-4, giving us a 79% win rate. We caught a total of 47,957 pips. And then if you click there, it will bring you to the beginning of April, where you can see, again, recap the day at the end of every day, recap the week at the end of every week. You can see screenshots of the positions, screenshots of the signals. Make sure to check all that stuff out. And if you go to April 4th, you'll see how we've been doing so far this year entirely. This is how we did quarter one. January went 20-0, catch 37,620 pips. February was 17-1, caught 24,403. Then March went 16-3, caught 49,783 pips. And in the quarter 53-4, giving us 83% all 3 months combined, catching a total of 100,806 pips. So it looks like GN still holding a little as resistance, but we're about to see if it's going to try to push it down for us. Yeah, so make sure to hit that first link in the description. Go that stuff out. Yeah, that's true, JD. Yeah, I be doing a lot during the day too, so that's probably why too. Because like I be doing a lot with my 24 hours every day. Yeah, that's probably why I be flying too. Yeah, I like how this is looking too. And then we got news at 8:30. Gonna be going live with the members during this. Let me go ahead and let the folks know right now. What's going on, Femi? I see you up in here. What's going on, Smokey? Thank God for another day to get that bag. I hear that. Every day a day. Every day's opportunity. Even on weekends, days, nights, mornings, evenings. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, the USD pairs are kind of just consolidated. GJ would have been a nice move to go for, but again, we'll just consolidate. Didn't really take off until 1 a.m. Ain't nothing we can do about that. Got to sleep at some point. GN looks like it's going as projected. Again, if GN can hold 775 as resistance, we can see sales going to 710, and then as well as 640. GJ, if you continue to respect 199.30 as support, we can look for buys going to 199.890 and possibly as high as 260. It's going to need to break this resistance level trade support for the next higher high to get made, though, which we was looking for earlier this week and last week. But as you can see, when it hit that resistance level, it rejected, but still respecting support. We have Canadian USD at 8:30. We're going live with the members during that. Yeah, make sure that I got a video dropping today. Dropped the Bitcoin update video yesterday. Dropped the gold trade breakdown that we took like last week, I think. Whatever week this was. I'll just be fine. But I think it was last week or a week and a half ago, something like that. All right, I broke down this trade. Huge 1 to 5 extra rewards, so make sure to check that out. If you guys want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram or Telegram. But Instagram, scrolling at the bottom of your screen, playmaker_way. Telegram, first in the description. I respond to all messages. If you're interested in how to identify these levels, my trading services, programs, all that stuff's linked in the description. you watch any of my YouTube videos, the last 2 minutes of all my YouTube videos, aside from the live streams, of course, go over all the details of those plans and all that. Members, be on the lookout for that link when we go live. Yeah, we're going to be back at the same time next week, London session 3 m EST. Y'all enjoy y'all's weekend.